Paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make an origami butterfly today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require an origami paper. Now, let's try and fold it into a half. Well, one side needs to be a little bigger than the other side. If you can't tear it properly, you can cut it with a scissor. Now, let's fold it into two equal halves and then make a triangle on top. Yes, by folding it inwards. Now, why don't we try and make a fan pattern till the center line? Well, be very careful while folding all the flaps. Make sure you do it neatly and then fold this entire thing into two equal parts from the center. Now, let's take another piece of paper and start making a fan out of it. Yes, to make a fan, you need to make a flap on one side, turn it and then make a flap on another. Now, let's fold this from the center as well. Great. Now, let's put some glue and then we will start sticking this. Lovely. We will just put the glue in the center. After that, we will tie it with a thread. Let's make sure that we make two knots. And well, for the antlers, we will keep a little space on top. And if you wish to, you can even stick this part. This looks beautiful, isn't it? Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.